data just moved right there. All right, cannot sign up out of my account. There, click on it. Cannot sign out of my account. Go over here. Go over here. Refresh. Alright, so Stalker is Luke Dalabona of Archaeology Vacations. He's recently changed his website. Okay, so why am I recording today is because Luke Dalabona shut down my computer for 2 weeks. All right, so Luke Dalabona shut down my computer for 2 weeks. And let's see. Now I can sign out. Okay. Over here. Can sign out from there. Okay. 1, 2. A lot of data moving. All going to Safari networking. 3. 4. 5. Only 5? That is shocking. Okay, so I signed out and it didn't ask me to remove my account from Google. Okay, it didn't ask me to remove my account from Google. So that's very important. It did not ask me to remove my account from Google. The email address for the account, lukedalabonastalker@gmail.com. It didn't ask me to remove it. All right. So it didn't ask me to remove it. Nope, not asking me to remove it. lukedalabonastalker@gmail.com. It's not asking me to remove that. Data still moving and it's going to Safari networking. All data goes to Safari networking, nowhere else. Okay. Safari is using significant energy. But Safari is way down here or nowhere. Okay. All right, and then I'm gonna go preview is not even open. Okay, now Safari disappeared. All these are grayed out. '85, '84, spin dump, '85, '62, spin dump. So I have 407 and 566. 407 and 566. Packets in, packets out. 98, 99 for footprint. 98. I'm not seeing 200 and 300 like I used to before. '53 for sample. 18, 21, 22. Oh, data just moved. There we go. Data moving. Tampering in progress. Data. So I have 421 and 580 now. Packets in, packets out. Launch D, A, whatever. It's all there. Packets sent, packets received. 113. Energy impact 147 for core capture D. 97 core capture D. 54, 52. 89 for spin dump. '63, 92. All right, somebody, okay, this is from previous. The stalker has been running diagnostic on my Mac. There's data moving again. Okay, data moving, always data moving. Do, 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 do. Already uploaded that. 368 already uploaded. 368. Leave this one. Oh, look at that. A whole huge chunk of data just moved. Huge chunk of data just moved. and QuickTime is back here. So force quit doesn't mean anything. I can force quit, but it's still running because QuickTime is still recording my screen even when I force quit. Lots of data moving. Lots of data moving. Okay, so I'm gonna move this over here and move that over there. Alright, so huge chunks of data moving. 90 for spin dump, 77 spin dump. $99 footprint. Data, a lot of data there moving. So I started off with, I'll click on that soon. More data moving right here. Data moving, packets in and out. But it's not showing up here. 26 for launch D. Power D is always present. It's a dark wake, which I've already documented. Data always in and out of the Mac. And they all disappear. Whatever showed up there just disappeared. $491, $650, and this time it did not ask me for a password. 84, 56, 99, 58. Power metrics, number one user of the power metrics. So I used to see remote D. Remote D is no longer there. Oh, that was a huge amount of data. Protected cloud. So 491 and 650. Packets in, packets out. 99 is footprint, 98, 97. Ah, data moving, data moving. Launch D. Lots of data moving right there. IOREG, IOREG, Open Directory, PKD, I register. All number one user of energy on the Mac, I register. Number one, 200, 340 something. I register. 99, 99, 99. 176 for I register. Oh, lots of data moving. 147, 164 for core capture D, 97 for core capture D, 97, 96, 83 core capture D. Spin dump. All right, lots of data moved. Some at 519 and 668 of in and out packets, in and out. All right, so I don't see that bit that showed up earlier. All right, put that there. Yep, now now he's asking me for a password because he heard me say it. He listens to me and he heard me say it. So he forgot. Then I said it and now it's asking me for a password. FS usage, number one user of the Mac, 99 parametrics. Footprint, 99, 99, 99, 99, footprint, 99. 99, 99, 99, 99 footprint. I saw data there. That one begins with N. That needs cloud. Launch D is always sending and receiving packets. Yeah, Luca Dalabana listens to everything I say. Oh, 3 packets, 3 bunches again. There we go, 3 bunches again. 3 bunches. Launch D. Always with the 3 bunches. 98, 116 I register, 320 I register. Wi-Fi velocity D, core capture D, 146, 98, 98, 97, 95, 94, 47, 96 spin dump. 92, 91 spin dump, 90 spin dump. We're off to see the wizard, the wonderful wizard of Oz. Because of the wonderful things he does. Oh, and there they go again, and then they disappear. Okay, they disappear, they appear, they disappear. Luca, you forgot to ask for password again. Luca is busy. Luca Dalabana of archaeologyvacations.com is busy. No talking. No talking, Luca is busy. Luca Dalabana of archaeologyvacations.com from Windsor, Ontario, Canada. A daughter by the name of Nadia. And you have a grandson now, right, Luca? You have a grandchild now, don't you, Luca? 147. Yeah, Luca is my is a stalker. He listens to everything I say. That is why 98, 99. That is why Siri is always in security and privacy. So let's see the three big packets that's going to be moving. One, two, three. There we go. Okay, as usual. Now when packets is moving in and out, are moving in and out, is because he's tampering. I register 99, 329, 97%. Now it would normally show 100%, but because he's tampering, in the first one I ran, there was a huge packet. When I deleted one video, one recording, because he wouldn't allow the recording to happen. That's if he hadn't changed it, that would still be 100%. Now it's QuickTime using significant energy, but QuickTime is not up here. System Diagnose isn't using number one. And there we go again. You have all those things show up and then they disappear. All right, put that there, put that there. Okay, first things first. Let's watch what they all look like. Last 5 minutes. Debug is volatile. Debug. Take a screenshot of that. Activity monitor. App tracker. Safari, bookmarks, sync agent. Sharing D. The connection to ACD account store was invalidated. Sharing D. I shouldn't have sharing D. But private is Luke Dalabana of archaeologyvacations.com. That's the sharing D. Request a block until connected. Command center. From the command center, of the Mac. command debug. Debug. Lots of debug. 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 Lots of debug. 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 Lots of debug. Watchdog. Watchdog is private. Watchdog D. So as I've said before, Luca Dalla Buona has removed a lot of information from my Mac, by the way. Let's check this baby out. Okay, so I recorded earlier this morning. Wait. So much. It changes all the time. It doesn't stop changing. Alright, so I just removed number 567. Upload number 567 showed the that Luke Dalla Buona has been running Diagnostic on my Mac, and the Mac was, it says screen time, a ton more screen time. The Mac was already in use for 11 hours at 11 o'clock today. At 11 a.m. for upload number 567, the Mac was already in use for 11 hours at 11 o'clock today. And that has now changed. Because right now, oh, data moving. Right now, the Mac is only in use for 8 hours, 34 minutes. Safari is only in use for 1 hour, but number 567 took 3 hours to upload. So Luke Dalla Buona has been tampering with this one. Lots in the background, only because there's 567. Yeah, 567 took 3 hours to upload. And let's see this one here. He removed upload number 369, which was the foreign power charge. Let's see this one here. There it is, uploading there. So 568, 567 was uploading. Okay, I don't have the recording here, but it's already uploaded. 568, 567. It's on 567. Anywho, oh yes, oh, just too much. Look how much data is moving. It doesn't end. So tampering in progress. And yes, where was I, Luca Dalla Buona? You gotta laugh at the idiot. Well, he is an idiot. So other has disappeared. It's in upload number 567, but now it has disappeared. Other has disappeared, and it says 8 hours here, but this one only says 34 minutes, 44 minutes, 49 minutes of use, 49 minutes of use, but it says 8 hours 36 minutes. See, 34, 10, and 5. Other has disappeared. Notification 1, but it will not show. Pickups 15. Luca has picked up my computer 15 times. 15. It doesn't land. There's so much. Downtime, da. Okay, so this says 32, 26, 10, 7. 5, 4. Archive utility. Did I use archive utility? I don't think I did. What the heck is that? This is this here is a malware, by the way. I have not talked to Apple Advisor for ages. That's a malware. Go back to app usage. So it's July 31st, July 31st, yep. And go to apps, Safari, activity monitor, preview, finder, system preference, console, text edit. Alright, no, I did not use archive utility. That is Stalker. Luke Dalabana of archaeologyvacations.com. Anyway, lots of debug. 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 Session created. Copy disk description. Remove session. So remove session ID. KMUTIL. Remove session. Lots of remove session. Create session and remove session. Lots of them. Okay. Create and remove. Create and remove. Copy disk description. Debug. 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 Remove and copy. So we're back to standard behavior. Create, copied, remove session. Lots of them. Lots. Debug. The private is Luca Dalabana of archaeologyvacations.com. Not going to add private to the archive as it is already present. Yes, he is present. So even though there are lots of debug, whoa, lots of debug. Oh, lots of debug. Miles of debug. Miles of debug. Open directory D. Miles of debug again. Activity monitor. Lots of debug. System diagnose. Private. Done. Private. Debug. Calling private. Tourist D. Check in. Tourist D. System diagnosis summary located at private. Yep, that's stalker is at private. Summary located at private. Debug. Debug. Miles of debug. Miles and miles of debug. Miles of debug. Miles of debug. All the same. Is it 4C00? 4C00. 4C00. Miles of debug. All failed to resolve. 4C00. All the debug are the same. Miles of debug. 4C and 00. Miles of them. Oh, here we go with the deleted. Deleted. Portable. Cache delete elapsed time. Cache delete shared purgeable. Cache delete total F purgeable. Cache delete volume. Cache delete non-purgeable amount. Alright, so here we go with all the deletes. Deleted. Deleted. Dropping. Deleted. Cache delete amount. Connecting to private. There's always a connection. Lots of connect to private, connecting to private, and it's all deleted. Connecting to private is deleted. Connecting to private, deleted. Private, cache is deleted. Directory is private. All deleted. Everything, processes are all deleted. The process is deleted. Right, so there's constant deletion, tons of deletion. All of that deleted. Okay. That's it deleted. Going up. Backup helper, service purge. QoS 17. Backup D. I don't back up. Somebody's backing up. Somebody's backing up. It's not me. TMC cache delete. Successful request. That's not me. I didn't do that. I didn't ask for that. Receive request to purge space with urgency. Yep. Delete. Control manager. Cloud D. I'm not even signed into cloud. $34, $22, utilities, 22. 5 minutes, 33 seconds, and 9 hours there. Yeah. Oh, right. I know I was speaking about this one here. I'm not even signed in. And there's Cloud D. Loaded account for private with account info for private. Okay. Cloud D. Volatile. So let me see how it, I just saw a lot of data there. 608 and 767. Okay. Asset cache locator. Container manager D. Cloud D. Look at the deleted. Deleted 636 private, 636 private, all private, 611 private. Wi-Fi velocity D is network connection, and here we go with the debug. Lots of debug, miles and miles of debug, miles and miles of debug, miles of debug. Miles of debug. Where are we? 94. QuickTime is using significant energy. Alright, usually it'll stay at 100% power. It's the foreign power charge. But Luca noticed it this time. Luca Dallabona of archaeologyvacations.com. Look at this. Lots of debug. Miles of it. Activity monitor. Using metal path for activity monitor. Category is missing description. Debug, miles of it. Why do I have miles of debug? Done for system diagnosed for private, terminated, child process. Okay, going really fast. Container manager D. So this seems to be repeated. PKD and container manager D. Look at that, they're all repeated. Repeated, it's repeated again and again. It's repeating itself all the time. Alright, miles of it, miles and miles and miles of it. They're repeating themselves. Okay, so I'm going to minimize. Ooh, at the very top, debug. Okay. Miles of it, miles of debug. Core speech D. Windows Server. Errors and faults, Windows Server. Go to the top. WebKit networking. It's always networking. Cloud D. There's usually more than 100 pages behind my channel page. Warning. Ooh, look at it deleted. Cloudy. Not me. Lots of deleted. So every time I run diagnostic, there's tons of delete. Touristy. Connection 1. Encountered error. Alright. Lots of crapola at the back. I have two of the same. I have two console. Two console. To console, that's not showing me. That's what this. It's not showing me. It's not showing me the list. Hello, Luca Dalabana. Task summary is opening numbers. Network status. Oh, wait. None. That's a lie. That's a lie. Because it's pre. Let's start pre. Oh, look at how many sharing D there are. Not blocking. Wait a minute. Hold on. Not blocking, already connected. Not blocking, already connected. Wait a minute. Hang on. Sharing D. Sharing D. Not blocking, already connected. Open keychain status. I've always talked about keychain. State dump, sharing services. Not blocking, already connected. Alright. Oh. So I have two console. One is open here and one is open here. One is here. There's one. And there's one. Why do I have two console? Alright, I have two console. Data just moved. Look at Dalabana is always listening and changing things. Where's the one that I just took for to console? Not that one. There we go, to console. One here, to console. Okay. There we go, to console. What's this one? 1 of 2. Oh yeah, system log 1 of 2. So what's happening is it is not. See, close that one. And let me close this one. There we go. Crash report. That's the day. And so it is missing a whole bunch of stuff. There's today, and that's June the 29th. So a whole month of stuff is missing. A whole month of information is missing. From the 2 weeks of shutdown, this computer was shut down by Luke Dalabana. I could not turn it on for 2 weeks. No information there. No information. What about this one? Cloud processes cloud. And of course, I'm not signed in. I'm not signed into cloud. And this is June. Okay, so a whole bunch missing. Log report. System log. This is June. This is today. The 24th, I was not using the Mac. 24th of July. 25th of July, I was on install log. Let's see. This is 25th of February. That's the date on the Mac when I unboxed it, and it already had connected processes. I unboxed the Mac on June 5th, 2021, this summer. 2021, and it came with the date of February the 25th, and it already said connected processes before I could set it up with the date June 5th. So it's all February the 25th, and it already came with connected processes there. Okay, is the 25th of February. It came with that date, 25th of February. 25th of February. That's the date it came with. February, operation elapsed time, blah blah blah. Anyway, I'm gonna move down all of that. 25th of February. Let me see what the latest is. July 31st. That's today, after 2 weeks of not having use of the Mac. July 19. Anyway, forget about that. I shall skip it. Shutdown monitor, nothing. There's no shutdown monitor, but I had a restart. Had a couple of restarts. The computer was restarted because of a problem. MRT, number one use of the Mac. But the shutdown says nothing, has no record. Begin delete from message where old association. It's February 25th. That's before my only unboxed on June 5th. June 5th. Shutdown monitor date is February 25th. This is the day after I unboxed. This is when I unboxed. And the first thing it says is deleted messages. The first thing on SMS migrator log is deleted messages. Sync deleted chats. Sync deleted attachments. So the first thing is deleted messages. All right. System log, which I've gone through millions of times, says there's 2 of everything, which it will go like that. 1 of 2 will be used, which one is undefined. There's 2 of everything. 1 of the 2 will be used, which one is undefined in system log. This is from June 6th. So he has changed a whole bunch of stuff now. Yep, he's changed a whole bunch of things. Ah, these are different now. 1 of the 2 will be used, which one is undefined. There we go. So this is at the top. This is July 31st. And I have Yorkville MacBook Air timed implemented on class SP execution policy is implemented on both system library blah blah and user sbin. 1 of the 2 will be used, which one is undefined. There we go. Okay, so it has changed, I think, from, let's see, this old one. Yeah, the format I think has changed, right, Luca? Anywho, doesn't matter. It ain't matter in. Wait a minute. I think something has been. Nope, still there. Okay, so this is netstat pre packets sent, and I'm always the host. Packets received, and successful 406. Datagrams. There we go. For this host. Packets for this host. Sent from this host. Alright. So let's go to system log. Don't trust anything you see. One of the two. Alright. Don't trust anything you see except for what I say. That's funny. It's funny. I made it funny. Packets from this host. Okay, that's all I need. Packets from this host. That's all I need. And activity monitor, packet moving again. Oh wow, it never changes. Go over here and then post. Packet sent. Packets received. Four 6 connection. Datagrams. Packets received from this host. That's my phone. The messages are always, yeah, there's nothing there. Because whatever comes in is always removed by Stalker. Yeah, from this host. And I'm going to close this now. Alright, and network. And that's that. Active internet connections. As I've documented, foreign has stopped. Foreign address, nothing. It's all local now. He's connected to my local network, and they're all streaming type. Streaming, and datagram. It's streaming and datagram. So I should active local is streaming. Okay. And datagram. Packets received. Four 6. Client connection successfully negotiated. 7304 datagrams, output, datagrams, receive packets from this host, IP6 from this host, two interface filters currently attached. Sixteen interfaces currently allocated at OS by OS. 2309 IPv4 DNS sockets, 3539 IPv4 datagram sockets without data, and 534 IPv6 datagram sockets without data. 49 socket multicast joined since boot. 49 sockets multicast joined since boot by OS. Okay, active multipath internet connections. Okay, IPv4 I have 1, and for IPv6, there we go. IPv4 and IPv6. Those are the connections. So it's always network connected. So I have one IPv4 and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 IPv6. IP6. 321 total input. QuickTime is back. Text edit. Okay. There's netstat. I don't need the rest. Install history goes to notes. Those are all going to notes. Okay. Network information. IPv4 network interface information. No IPv4 states found. IPv6 network interface information. There's the addresses. Okay. Ooh, data moving. It's moving to MDNS responder. Lots of data moving. Oh, I think I touched a nerve. I must have touched the nerve. Migration tar. Okay, that's going to notes. That's not going to work. IP list. It's all going to nodes. I touched the nerve. The data moving. I think there was a quick switcheroo there. And that's the end of that? Nope. But wait, there's more. There's more. The host name. Local. So I'm local. Anywho, I think that's enough. Oh, it's going here. Install history. Yeah. And available network connection services is the current set. It's enabled. Route info. All right, and data moving. The minute I opened that, data moved. Look at that. Lots of data moving. The minute I opened this utility, lots of data moving. Lots of data moving. Look at that. Tampering in progress. Lots of data moving. I can see it. All right. Are you done? Yeah, it still goes. There's something about disk utility because I usually would see something else outside of what's here. There was something else there. Okay, if I run disk utility now, if I run for state, it'll come out perfect because it's already been tampered with. All right. There's tons of data moving in and out of the Mac. One not mounted. Tons of data moving. Wow, somebody doesn't like disk utility being open. I see deleted was one of those. Tons of data moving. Somebody does not like disk utility being opened. Yep, it's always successful. Disk 3. Run. Lots of data has moved in and out of the Mac. There we go. More moving. Okay. More data moving. So now 806 and 965. 806 and 965. Okay. Data doesn't stop moving in and out of the Mac. All right. So 818 and 977. Data always moving in and out of the Mac. Ignore that, forget about that. That doesn't mean anything. It's data moving in and out of the Mac. So where are we? Oh, more data moving in and out of the Mac. Okay. So 826 and 985. Everything is being tampered with. Here we go. Yeah. Once data is moving in and out, it's because a stalker is tampering. Oh, tons of data moving in and out. Why run another first aid? He's tampering with it. This is all messages. No messages. All messages. No messages. Alright, let me finish this one. This is not stat. No foreign. Streaming for active local. Streaming. Then datagram. And packets received and packets sent. And 406. And datagrams out, received. There we go, from this host. If you're a host, means you're networking. And 858 packets for unknown, unsupported protocol for this host. I don't need anything else. For this host, this computer is a host. Packets received from this host. Two requests sent to user land. Here are the interfaces. Two interface. Says boot. Alright, 24 sockets. IPv4. Stream and data socket. 109 IPv4 datagram sockets connected. And there's IPv6. So IPv4 and IPv6. Sixteen interfaces currently allocated. Multicast. So I've already counted 10 here. And yeah, it's not showing the messages anymore. Huh, there was a switcheroo there. There was a switcheroo. Data moving again. There was a switcheroo. Where are the messages? A lot of data moving again. And there's no visible network. Console is number 2 user of QuickTime here is using significant energy. Okay. So let's do that. And then lots are deleted. Data moving again. Yeah, it doesn't stop. Okay, I think that's the finito. Using metal path. Warning, warning, warning. Hook. Look at the amount of data moving. Look at that. Oh my God. Look at that. So it's stopping now. All right, 926.085. 926.085. Data moving again. Look at that. Huge amounts of data moving. Not three dots anymore. Not three dots anymore. Tons of data moving. More data moving. Activity monitor is using metal path. There are huge chunks moving in and out of the Mac. Command center state dump complete. See, they had a whole bunch and then it disappears. And so now I'm at 9, from 926, 953, and from 085, I'm at 112. That's a lot of data moving in and out of the Mac when there's no visible network, or supposedly no network. And where is my report? No report? Data moving again. And Cloud D. Where is my report? I didn't see any report. No report. Okay. Data moving there. So I'm starting at 963 and 122. 963 and 122. Ooh, look at that, baby. Look at that one. Activity monitor is using metal path. So I don't see the deleted. That's already been done. So every time I run system diagnostic, it's different amount of data moving in and out. Sometimes it's a lot, sometimes not so much. More data moving now, right there, you can see it. Huge chunk. Alright, so not much data moving this time. Okay, so I started out with 963 and 122, 963 and 122. Now I'm at 036 and 195. So quite a bit of data moved, but not as much as the first time. And so this utility doesn't want to open up. There we go. This utility, data moving. Launch D. Okay. Data moving there. Data moving. Lots of data tampering in progress. Deleted, lots of deleted. Look at that. Deleted. Lots of deleted. Lots of deleted. And it will not show. Lots of deleted. Lots of deleted. There's always lots of deleted. And let's see data moving. There we go. Data is always moving. And I think that's it. And one more thing is that all processes are restricted. Nothing on this computer can be terminated. Nothing. They're all restricted. See, there's a local host. On February the 25th. This Mac was unboxed on the 5th of June. There's connected processes, as I've mentioned many times. Sent by launch D. Okay. One of the two will be used. Which one is undefined, which I've talked about already. System log. MD worker shared. So let's see how much data has moved. Quite a bit. And now 10 hours of use, and this says 56, 50, and 5. So other is not here right now. So 56, 55, and 33 seconds add up to 10 hours. $15, and it only shows 3. Take a screenshot of this. 15 pickups, and it only shows 3. One notification, and it will not show the notification. 12 p.m., but it will not show it. Data is not moving anymore. When there's tampering, data is moving. Pickups, always allowed. From 10 hours, but it was this morning, it was already in use for 11 hours at 11 o'clock, so it changed. So for now, right now it's 10 hours of use, but now it's 46, 46, 28, 20, 10, 5, 46 seconds. 6 seconds, 4 seconds. And Remote Advisor is a malware. So I used to have 2 preview, 2 QuickTime, 2 text edit, 2 Remote Advisor, 2 of a few things, and another app here. And now I only have Remote Advisor, but that's a malware. Okay, and I'm gonna stop recording now and stop.